Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking in Love, and today we are traveling back to Asia to make another oriental dish again. I already have the ingredients set out. I'm already cooking rice, as you can see, but anyway, let's jump straight into the video. Sigla! So today we are making pollo alla mandorle, or translated in English, chicken with almonds, almond chicken. The ingredients are 600 grams of chicken breast cut into chunks, 30 milliliters of sesame oil, or if you don't have sesame oil, vegetable oil, 1 clove of garlic, 40 grams of almonds chopped in half, 60 milliliters of soy sauce, salt if needed, because remember, soy sauce is salty on its own, and water and flour is needed, and 15 to 20 grams of grated ginger. Okay, so we are making an oriental dish that only takes a couple of ingredients, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 7 ingredients, really quick to make it, only 10 to 15 minutes to cook it, and this is my recipe, you know. But anyway, let's start. Let's cook the chicken. And we're doing this when we cook the chicken, the excess flour falls through, because when we're cooking it, the chicken becomes too floury if it's too heavily coated. Let's grate the ginger. Now the reason I'm grating the ginger is because if we grate it, it distributes the taste and it's not too strong. Whereas if you just chop it, it's too strong. Next, let's slice the garlic. We have all the ingredients for the stir fry. Let's get on to it. Fire. I can even do it. We have a nice wok here, by the way. Olive oil, onions. You hear that sizzling? That's the noise I want to hear. Okay, now let's add the garlic and ginger. There's that nice sizzling sound again. I'm going to add a tiny amount of water. Yes, that sound. I'm going to add the chicken now. Keep cooking this until the chicken becomes a little bit golden brown. If the chicken does attach to the pan, just add a little more water and keep stirring. The chicken is pretty much done. I don't want to cook it too much because I like my chicken soft. So this is a good time to add in the soy sauce. Nice. Now if I'm correct, this should unglaze the pan and glaze the chicken. Let this simmer for just a couple more minutes. And while that's doing it, we can move on to the almonds. If you were here, you would smell heaven. This smells so good. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Let's move on to the almonds. So I'm going to turn on my pan. And pretty simple. Almonds in, and let these toast. When you see this like black things, that's when you know the almonds are toasted. So obviously these are toasted. Off, the thighs off. Move in here. And in. Mix it around. These will give it a nice crunch. If you want this more dry, just simmer it for a couple more minutes. If you want it more wet, you add a little bit more water. I think I'm gonna simmer this for another minute or so and then turn off the pan. I mean, it's done, which is nice. Now I'm gonna remember to try your food, just to see if it has enough salt to it. I don't think it needs salt actually. It's perfect actually. Yeah, it's done. There you go. Okay, so now for the plating, I have my rice in a bowl, obviously. The trick that I always use. Nice. Now for this amazing chicken. Nice. Okay, this is my chicken and almond with rice. This looks amazing. Ready to dive in. For the taste test, like my favorite part, let's go. Okay. It's kinda, there you go. Wow, that's actually good. One thing I really love about this is that you can actually taste the onion and the garlic, like it absorbs into the chicken, the taste. This is 10 out of 10 for me. But another video has gone. I hope you all love this video and possibly try it because this is actually really easy to make. I see a lot of people commenting like, thank you so much guys. But anyway, I make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that like button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Lucky you. Alla prossima. Ciao.